maka ife a ga-akpọ ya na-eme n'obodo a kịta nsogbu dịkwa na this country. Nigeria bụzikwa movie o, ebe nwere many actors, Boz and the rest of them. Actor ada anwụ. Who is the actor now? Tinubu is now the actor. The actor in this movie with Tinubu. Maybe Boz with Chetima. What is happening? Obodo just concluded protest. We just concluded protest. So waiting for the government to say something about the protest. They didn't say anything. Rather, they bring another bill. They want to pass another law that if whoever that down recite the national anthem, you go 10 years imprisonment or 5 million naira fine. From where will they get the money? In this kind of stress and they facing in this country, poverty. Now, this government get hurt. I don't go lie for you. The government get hurt. In all this suffering and smiling the people are facing, you still tell them that if whoever that don't recite the national anthem will face 10 years then or 5 million naira fine. From who? Are they kidding me? At this country? Nah, let's say that prison go full this time around. Everybody go enter prison. That is what they are trying to say. Prison go full everywhere. Everybody will go enter that prison this time around. What kind of rubbish is that? After the protest, nothing from, we didn't hear anything from the government. Next thing is, whoever that don't recite the national anthem, you face 10 years jail term or 5 million naira. That's that person will go to prison, 10 years in prison, imprisonment, or 5 million naira. From where? This thing is have turned into something else. So this country is not a movie. Nigeria is a movie. Who write the script? Who write the script? What is happening to this country? Nigeria, my country. It's a finished country. It's going to obodo agwụgo kwa Igbo mụrụ obodo agwụgo. Once going up na maybe look at your yoga ebe getting isi obodo agwụgo. Na bụ na ego national anthem, you got 10 years imprisonment or 5 million naira. For a case with 5 million. Already just na agba egwu mmọnwụ. Me ọsọ walije already just na agba egwu mmọnwụ. Obodo just na agba egwu mmọnwụ. Kenekwa m ndị ba emesian.